Tired of juggling contacts between your Google account and your iPhone, making you feel like you're living into different digital worlds? Let's bridge that gap in just a few easy steps, starting with opening your iPhone settings app. It's the one with the gear icon, usually found on your home screen. Scroll down until you find Mail, then tap on it. Don't worry, even though we're dealing with contacts, this is the correct place to sync your Google account. On the Mail settings screen, tap Accounts. You'll likely see any email accounts you already have set up here. Now, tap Add Account. A list of email providers will appear. Select Google. This will initiate the process of connecting your Google account to your iPhone. You'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Enter your Gmail address and password, just like you would on any other Google service. Google will ask for permission to access certain information. Make sure the contacts toggle is switched to the on position. It should be green. This is what allows your contacts to sync. Tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Your iPhone will now start syncing your Google contacts. Open your iPhone's Contacts app. You should now see all your Google contacts appearing in your list. Give it a few minutes for everything to fully sync, especially if you have a lot of contacts. And that's it. Your Google contacts are now seamlessly synced with your iPhone, keeping you connected and organized. Enjoy.